Brad Williams, Excel Prime. 14.3, finding an exact value with a left lookup. We'll be working with the VLookup. What we use the VLookup for is data to the left of the solution. Here's our solution. The data we're looking for is to the left. If we want data in any other format, we can use the lookup function, or we can use the XLOOKUP function. There's 4 different arguments within the VLookup function. If we look over here to the right, we have the lookup function of the 4 following arguments. We have the lookup value, the table array, the column index number, and the range lookup. The lookup value, the value to look for in the first column of a table. Table array, the table from which to retrieve a value. Column index number, the column in the table from where to retrieve a value. And the range lookup is optional. You can define it as either true or false. True is an approximate match and false is an exact match. That's text. Let's put it in realism. What are we looking for? Well, we have 2 situations here. We're looking at a client here, and we're looking at a client with different prices. We have, for example, we have Target. Let's say we have an on-site hours of 9 and we charge $52 for service there. And then we have off-site hours and we have an offset price. The question is, we want the total of those 2 combined. Well, you can use the VLookup when you look at something like this, and we want an exact match. What does that mean? That means we don't want an approximation, we want exact numbers. So we have to be a little explicit here. So the way we do this, we go VLookup. VLookup is pretty simple. If we were looking at Target here in H5 and we said, well, I want hours, and I can just multiply that times V52. But what about the second argument? There's nothing wrong with using multiple VLookups. We're just multiplying and then adding. Then why don't you say, well, why don't you use the sum if feature? We're going to use the VLookup here. I'll show you an optional way to do this, but here the first function says, how about we look at what are we trying to accomplish? Well, we have V5, which is Target. That would be the lookup value. Then we're looking at rates 339, which if you look here in the notes, rates is equals to G4 to I9, G4 to I9, which is wrong, which is in the range of H4 to J9. That would satisfy the table array, which is this arrangement right here. The next argument says row 2 and 0. So we're looking here for Target 52 within this range 52, and then we're going to multiply that times C5 over here. Then we're going to look at the second VLookup. It says V5, which is Target, and what's it looking up? It's looking up rates 339, and it's going to look at the third column, going to multiply it times D5. Again, it's going to look at this range. The first series of VLookup is going to multiply 9 times 52. And this second argument is looking at this range. Here, it's going to multiply 16 times 90. And it's going to add up 1908. The other way to do it is just intuitive. You're asking yourself, well, why don't I just multiply 9 times 52 plus 16 times 90? Well, you can, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. If you want to remove that VLookup feature, you can do that. But that's just a quick introduction of an exact match. Let's try one other feature here. This argument here, VLookup with the 0, we're asking for an exact match. When you use 0, you see range lookup. True would be 1, false is equal to 0. That would be this third argument, 0 here. We can change that to 1 and 1. The answer is 1946. If you look at this number, I changed this to an approximate match. and the math doesn't work out the same, and it should, because the numbers are fixed. If this was 9.22, then I could see this variation. And I changed the number here to an approximate match, and it equals the same over here on the right. And I did the same here. I changed the reference, the range lookup from 0 to 1. The number is equals the simplified version. So there's a glitch here somewhere. I'm not sure where. This should be 1908. Brad Williams, XL Prime, Williams out.